rust appearing on your steel structure, welded areas starting to corrode? Let's put CRC ZINC IT to the test and see how this zinc-rich coating provides long-term galvanic protection. Hi, I'm Nigel from Galvanising. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the CRC ZINC IT and show you how it helps protect steel surface from corrosion. This is a single component zinc-rich coating containing 95% high purity zinc in the dried film, designed to provide galvanic rust prevention. When steel is exposed to moisture and oxygen, corrosion starts to develop. Areas such as welding seams, drilled holes, and cut edges are especially vulnerable. It can cause corrosions and weaken the structure. CRC ZINC IT forms a metallic zinc coating that provides cathodic protection to steel. It creates flexible and continuous protective film and contains no lead. It is commonly used on offshore equipment, ships, transmission towers, roofs, and rails, welding seams, as well as galvanized surface requiring touch-up. The first and most important step is surface preparation, because proper preparations give longer protection. Before spraying, shake the can thoroughly. The product should be properly mixed to produce a smooth and uniform coating, dries to a flat mid-gray finish. I'm applying an even coat across the metal surface. The coating goes on smoothly and starts building a zinc-rich protective layer. This is useful for weld seams and galvanized surface. After about 20 minutes, the coating becomes touch dry. The flat gray appearance indicates that the zinc coating has formed properly. What you're seeing here is more than just paint. CRC ZINC IT contains 95% pure zinc in the dried film, which protects steel from galvanic and cathodic actions. So even when the coating gets scratched, the zinc sacrifices itself to help protect the underlying steel. The coating can withstand up to 400 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for demanding industrial environments. The CRC ZINC IT is widely used in marine industries, power generation facilities, steel fabrication workshops, and general maintenance. It is especially useful wherever the steel is exposed to severe saltwater and salt spray environments. What we have showed today is how CRC ZINC IT creates a durable zinc-rich protective coating that helps prevent corrosion and extends the life of steel components. The finished component dries to a flat metallic gray and provides long-term galvanic protections. Davor, connecting lubrications with engineering. Follow us for more tips, deals, and all things about lubricants. Thanks for watching.